Mahal kita.
Hello. Oo, dito ako sa Downtown Bowling ngayon. Sige, kita-kits, kita-kits.
Hello po.
Hmm?
Hello po.
Hello.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Hello po. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon.
Yeah.
Sa Tagalog ka?
Opo.
Ba't ka marunong mag-Tagalog?
Kunti lang.
Okay lang.
Filipino major po ako.
Oh?
Yeah.
What year?
4 years.
4 years?
Mhm.
What year now?
Yeah, I just finished.
Finished? When?
Last month.
Ooh, can you say something in Tagalog?
Mahal kita.
Huh? Where did you learn that?
School.
School? Hmm? Ano?
Insta.
Ah, Insta?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Ito? Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Nice meeting
Ah,
you.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sige, alis na ako.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.